Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create Zapier integration. So first go to www.zapier.com/dashboard. Here click on create a Zap. So we're going to integrate two different apps. So first our trigger will be Twitter. Let's select new follower. Or rather, let's just change our events so it will be easy for me to demonstrate. So new tweet, continue, and let's enter our username. Let's see. Oh, I missed something. Alright, now it should work. Click on continue and test trigger. Alright, so our action will be Discord. Click on Discord, choose your account. Our action will be send a message, and now let's pick our channel. Channel will be announcement. Text message. Let's select text. Now click false, ping nobody, click false, and then you can give your bot a name, and you can even add your own image as well. So now click on test action. There we go. Two apps has been integrated with the help of Zapier. So that's our notification. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.